Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. This is episode 2 of Bigleprachaun Bowling. I'm just sitting here in my home office waiting for the truck to warm up. It's a little frosty out here. It's about 27 degrees outside, a little cold. They say you never want to have your bowling balls in your vehicle when it's this cold. So if you're able to take them inside the house, take them inside the house. If you're able to leave them at your home center, leave them there. That's where mine are at. They're at the home center. I'll have to swing by, pick my buddy up, and then I'll be off the league in the morning. There will be a few shots in this episode of morning league and then my Wednesday night league. So have fun watching this episode, and I'll get back to you later. Just got done games 2 and 3. As you saw, the 10th frame of the third game was not good. Left the 10 pin, missed it. I'll talk to you guys more later. I did shoot 680. Had games at 228, 228, 224. So we'll see how tonight goes. Throwing the double cross. That's what I threw all this morning. So see you guys later. Hey everybody. Just want to talk a little bit before league starts. Once again, we are about an hour before league starts. Tonight I'm going to throw the Rattler again. The past 2 weeks on Tuesday, I threw the Rattler, bowled well. So we'll see how tonight goes, and I'll get back to y'all after. Hey guys, just finished Tuesday night league. I shot 244, 221. I forget what the last game was. Shot 670 altogether. I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. The guy in the corner of the video, that's my buddy Joseph. He's a two-finger lefty. He throws a fever pitch, but he throws a really good ball. So I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. See you later. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bigleprachaun Bowling. This is day number 2 of episode 2. I'm on the way out to the center for league tonight. I just figured I'd get on and let y'all know what day it is for the vlog. I figured I'd talk while on the way to the center. I was just wondering what everybody's favorite ball company they like to use in league tournaments and stuff like that. If you want to leave a comment down below, let me know what your favorite company is. Me, I like to use Radical and Hammer. Like I said last week, on the way to the center, I drove up my Radical double cross. Threw that all yesterday morning in league, shot 680. Last night league, like I said, I shot 670. I started out last night's league with my Brunswick Rattler, and then I had to switch to the double cross. Right side of the lane got a little dry. So, if anybody's got urethane ball, I suggest using that when the right lane goes dry. Now, tonight, I'm on lanes 1 and 2 of my center, and I'll have some more footage of like how those lanes are and how I'm bowling and stuff like that. So I will see you guys later, and then also let you know how game 1, game 2, and game 3 go. Let you know what I shot, and then we'll go from there.
like a rat. That's a little rat.
Hey, I have to. I have a kid coming, you know?
Yeah, but it's a little good show.
I gotta play with kids stuff now. Yeah.
Waiting for Zach to get I don't even know if there's anybody else up there. Probably not. What? You might get
Yeah, I'm following you guys.
Hey guys, you just saw my 10th frame on the third game. Didn't go so well. Through the nose, 410 split.
We only have 1.9.
Shot games of 200 even, 267, 243. Shot 710 for the night. Started out the night with the double cross, and then I switched to my Intel Radical. That worked tonight. Did a couple of jumps for my thumb. So I'll see you guys next week. But also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet, subscribe to Brad and Kyle's channel. I'm talking about Brad Miller, Kyle Sherman. They're on the tour. Packy Hanrahan, he's also on the tour. He has a channel called The House Bowling. Don't forget to subscribe to theirs. And I'll see you guys next week.